What's going on, guys? I am back after a long hiatus. I just have to let you guys know I hate alternators. That thing, I hate that thing. That thing is annoying. That thing won't come out. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Marlon, Booby, you already know, and I'm here back with another video. It's been a long time since I made another video, but here I am. So right now, this is a big ass life update, and I say that because I'm in Texas. Most people know I was in New York. Most of my friends, everyone that follows most of the part, I think is from New York. I really don't know. But anyways, I'm back, guys. Yeah, go. So as you guys know, I was working on this Civic hatch. There's been a lot of updates with it. I don't know if I made a video on this, but I changed out the cluster. I now have it with a CRV cluster. In the middle, it's just the same one as my other one. I just want to keep the mileage the same, just to know that it's that amount of miles. But other than that, you know, this thing looks pretty cool, especially like when you turn the light on. Yeah, you can't even see it right now. But anyways, I'm actually running another ECU right now because this one I think is kind of going bad. This is the regular stock one. I got one from 97 now, which is running pretty good. It actually has it running better. All right, yeah, so we got a lot of updates, as I was saying. We had this cold air intake. I actually had the whale penis one, which is like the OD big one. I'll put a picture there just so you can see it. But I was running that when I had got this Y8 manifold. But that's the update on that. Just a lot of nonsense in here, and look at that, 12mm. But yeah, so as I was saying, let me go ahead and make sure I put that away. As I was saying, there's a lot of updates that we did with this car. Like I said, it has a Y8 manifold, so it runs a little bit faster, a bit, nothing super crazy. Our power steering fluid is leaking through the axle boot, but or the tie rod thing. One of the boots is leaking through, so that's another issue we have to address. But the alternator is the main issue right now. All right, so the funny thing about this too, the reason why the alternator went out again is because a lot of oil got on it, and a lot of oil happened to get on it because there was no oil cap while I was driving. I didn't realize this. There's a possibility that I like left it off over here and then it just like lost itself on the way on the highway, or I put it down on the ground, and I actually had to pick this up. This is mine. Yeah, see, I forget things a lot. But anyways, it was funny because like I came home, right, and I'm just sitting here, you know, looking at the car, because I know the car, it actually has blow by right now, which is kind of bad. But that's another issue we're gonna address later on. We'll get to that in another video. But yeah, so basically with the car, it was just so funny because like there was just oil all over this thing. Like this thing was just drenched in oil, right? And I looked and I opened up the hood and there was no cap. Like literally no cap, no cap. Bro, it was the scariest thing. There was oil all over the alternator, and I'm like, you know what, that thing's gonna go out soon. And just now the battery light just started flickering on and off about it, so I should try to change it out, but there's been a lot of difficulty with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and just wait until I go over to a friend's house when I do another modification on the car. But anyways, yeah, let's go through a little bit of a walkthrough of the car. Over here to the front, we actually have some nice wheels on here now. Some squared wheels. I got these for a good deal. How long ago did I have these? Not too long ago, but it was pretty dope when I had got them because I paid a good price for them. And it was kind of funny because I wasn't necessarily looking for new wheels, but I don't know, it was an offer I could not refuse. We're actually running the bigger brakes from the EX or SI, as well as the Integra, I believe, too. We're running the bigger brakes in the front, which is pretty good. Stainless steel brake lines, which is great. We have a cold air intake along with the Y8 manifold. We'll also have an idling issue with the car, but we'll get to that later. And yeah, as of right now, that is pretty much it of what I have on the car. And I am also a registered Texan now. But yeah, that's pretty much it as of now. I do need to just, you know, go ahead and adjust this damn alternator because like I literally can't drive the car without it. I mean, technically I can, but like I think it would be kind of stupid to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Oh yeah, no, that's it for right now. Let's see. And yeah, nothing else. We are gonna be having a bit of a surprise. Hint, hint. This thing is gonna be out of here soon. But yeah, we'll cover that in another video. But I just want to give a little quick update, and that was just because I haven't posted in a while. I've been very tired, and yeah, very tired. But yeah, I mean, I figured I'd just go ahead and just give a nice little update, and more videos will be coming soon. So I'm out. Peace.